Well, hello everyone and welcome to this review of the best royalty-free music for real estate videos. If you're a real estate agent or a videographer on a tight deadline, you don't have hours to spend hunting for tracks. And this is why I'm going to show you how quickly you can match the perfect music to any property type and the fastest platform to find those tracks without getting hit by copyright claims. Now let's look at the stakes first. Real estate videos are commercial content. You're promoting a product for sale, which means you legally need properly licensed music, especially if you or your clients plan on running paid ads on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. Now, a single copyright strike can take down a listing downright when it needs the marketing momentum. Beyond the legalities, music is what drives the emotional decision to buy. Without the music, a video walkthrough feels like a security camera feed. With the right track, it feels like an experience. If you want buyers to feel the warmth of a family home or the luxury of a penthouse, you have to guide their ears. To keep your editing fast, you just need to memorize 5 basic property archetypes. First, luxury homes. For these, look for cinematic, orchestral, or ambient electronic tracks. Think sophisticated, slow building, and grand. Second, family homes. Skip the heavy synthesizers here. Go for warm, acoustic, light folk, or uplifting indie tracks. This creates a sense of comfort, safety, and community. Third, modern condos and apartments. These need an urban, trendy energy. Look for chill electronic, lo-fi, or minimal deep house beats. It feels sophisticated and perfect for young professionals. Fourth, commercial properties. You want to keep this strictly professional. You want corporate, motivational, and clean tracks. Something driving, not distracting, that keeps the focus on the business space. And fifth, vacation rentals or Airbnbs. These need to feel upbeat and destination matched. If it's a beach house, give it a tropical vibe. If it's a cabin, go for rustic, earthy, acoustic tones. You're selling an escape. So where do you actually find these tracks without spending all day searching? The free option we have is the YouTube audio library right inside your dashboard. It's 100% free and safe from copyright claims. But because it's free, these tracks are incredibly overused. They tend to sound generic, and high-end clients will notice it if their multi-million-dollar listing sounds like a high school science project. If you want to save time and get professional results, however, the fastest solution is Artlist. When you're on a tight deadline, you don't have time to scroll endlessly. So Artlist lets you filter by mood or theme instantly. You can just type in luxury or uplifting. Click a few filters and get radio quality tracks that sound like they were scored by a film composer. Even better for editors, their standard license covers YouTube, social media, and client work. You just download the track, drop it in your timeline, and hand the video over to your client. No legal headaches, no copyright strikes. Plus, they have built-in stock drone footage if you ever need a quick filler shot of a skyline or a coastline to establish a location. If you want to speed up your workflow, I've put the link to Artlist in the description below, and using that link will get you 2 extra months completely free on any annual plan. If you make real estate videos regularly, upgrading your audio is the fastest, low-effort way to make your listing stand out and impress your clients. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.